if you have acne marks, redness, oily face, and open pores like me. This is my skin before. I'll tell you how to prevent it and make it like this. Hindi siya perfect pero mas okay siya kesa noon.
Hi guys, this is Faye and I'll show you my skincare routine. Let's go!
Late na nga ako nagising dyan dahil napuyat ako kaka-live. Minsan kasi sa kakapuyat, nagkaka-pimples ako.
Mabuti na lang may mga karamay ako sa ganitong mga sitwasyon. So ayan, naantok pa yung lola nyo. Ito lang naman guys ang mga gamit ko para everyday I'm more confident enough to slay the day. Introducing salicylic acid from Skin Ever.
So I have here two types of skincare. The first one is the refreshing scrub cleanser, which I use every morning, twice a week. The second is the acne treatment eye sleep mask, which I use every evening before I sleep. It is also suitable for all skin types because it's just mild and non-irritating. May kasama na rin pala siyang cute na brush na pwede mong gamitin kapag i-apply mo na siya. So here I am preparing to apply the scrub cleanser. Ganito pala yung itsura niya, guys. Kinagandahan nito, it deeply cleanse the skin, exfoliate, and leaving the skin smoother. Kapag pala in-apply mo siya, kailangan gently lang. I-massage mo lang siya, circular motion. Tapos i-rub mo lang siya sa iyong face for 2 minutes. So ganyan yung itsura niya after 2 minutes. And then, pwede mo na siyang banlawan with warm water. Iba talaga nagagawa ng salicylic acid. Tingnan niyo naman ang face ko ngayon, oh. Naging smooth and soft na siya. Looking young and fresh na naman ang lola niyo. Oh, sino ka dyan?
Just a heads up pala guys, 1 week ko nang ginagamit itong product na to. Kaya kung mapansin nyo, yung pag-unbox ko ng mga products ay iba yung color ng nails ko dito ngayon. Ngayon pula na. Siyempre, kailangan ko munang i-review yung product bago ko i-release sa inyo. Dapat honest review lang tayo. So this is my night routine. I am applying the Acne Treatment Eye Sleep Mask using the spatula.
Kung makita niyo, meron pa akong mga pimple marks dyan. Kaya perfect ito for treating acne. Na-excite ako dito dahil meron siyang cooling effect.
This is the type of mask na hindi mo na kailangan i-rinse.
After mong i-apply, pwede ka nang matulog. And then, banlawan pagkagising.
Here is the result of 1 week using salicylic acid from Skin Ever.
It is also FDA approved. Kaya no need to worry. So here is my face after 1 week of using it. Lesser oil and it prevented my acne breakout. So if you want to relax your skin, the yellow basket. You deserve it.